guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Judah's in the cut. Now, this is probably one of the most excited I've been doing a vlog, to be quite honest. So I'll give you a quick rundown on what happened. So I made a booking for Sea Cliff Resorts, right? I made a booking for today, which is October the 5th. When I got there, I mean, Judah as always was late.
It wasn't really my fault though. I'm just saying, putting that out in the universe, okay guys?
Anyway, Judah as always was late. Like, I wanted to get there from maybe like 3 o'clock. We arrived there maybe sometime at like 7 o'clock. But when I got there, she had made a booking for a whole group of people, so I lost the booking. Where I went wrong, I thought because I made a reservation, I should have called. Well, I didn't need to call, so I didn't call. But anyway, we ended up coming to somewhere that I really wanted to go to, which is Great Huts. So fortunately enough, you know, it was close by. It was really close by. So we're gonna try to show you not too much of the experience tonight because we are tired. Judah just ordered some food, and I'm gonna show you guys. Look at the bell. Get the bell. Huh? Oh, the bell. Yeah. When we first came here, we had to ring the bell. They had like a couple dogs, like two mongrel dogs. They are mongrel dogs, let's be honest. That were there. And don't worry guys, you know, once they let you in, the dogs are pretty cool. You know, they came up to me or whatever. They know I'm a dog kind of guy, so, you know. And then we got here. So we booked the room called Kaya for about 2 nights. I think it came up to like $18,000. Here's one of the dogs here. He's a mongrel, but he's really big. He's pretty big. He's well fed, you can see that. So that's nice. This is a quick setup of the place. It's how can I put it? It's pretty much like African theme. You feel me? But
it has this rustic, natural vibe to it.
Exactly. And that's what I like. I like rustic. I don't like, well, Judah's more of the high-end resort. I am more the rustic kind. Where we were going before was a compromise. It was in between. It was kind of rustic. It was
modernized, rustic theme. It was really cute.
It was really cute. So we'll probably go there another time. But this is the place where we at. I ordered coconut curry shrimp with fried bami, and Judah ordered shrimp pasta, whatever the case is. So they got 2 pools here, which we will show you tomorrow. The Boston jerk is close by, so you know I'm doing a food video on that. What else? I don't remember. There's so many things here. I think they even have like surfing. Yeah, because we're in Boston. If you guys don't know, Portland has the highest waves in Jamaica. So most of the surfers from Jamaica are in Portland, to be quite honest. So yeah, the room that we got was pretty nice. We'll show you that really soon. And tomorrow is where I'm going to be able to show you everything. But guys, I'm super excited because this is what I like about traveling. When you get lost, but first of all, you need to have money. Because like, if you don't have money on you, you're screwed. Because we could have been sleeping in the car. But anyway. Alright, so what's nice about this too, we have someone who's helping us with our bags, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, so even though it's more of a rustic style, you're still getting like good quality service. But I just love this experience, guys. It's slightly raining here, and I'm walking up to my room. You know, I try to get you guys the full experience of what it is. I should have taken Judah here months ago, like months ago. But when she saw it online, she's like, I don't like it. But I was telling her, I'm like, yo, you heard about this place and you wanted to go before. Trust me, you're gonna like it. Guys, look at this property. I mean, you can't see much now because it's in the night, but damn, it's like a little jungle. Ooh, look at her room. Whoa, all right. Quick little go in. So guys, it's like a hut. Oh, wow. Wow. So we got mosquito nets and stuff. The bed flooring is like concrete there, but then you got the mattress on top. We got our safe over there. As I said, I'll show you guys these things tomorrow. The safe is over there. We got an extra bed here. You feel me? So this place is. Oh. Okay. Cool. Thank you, sir.
Do you guys have any scent of candles?
We can buy those tomorrow.
Normally they would have cinnamon, but
Guys, look at this. What is this? Is this cow skin or is this just fake?
I think it's cow skin.
Cow skin. Look at that, guys. Yo, Jamaica has so many different places to go.
Thank you.
So, first of all, I'm just happy that Judah finds this place cute because for me, you know, she's showing me the middle finger. Yeah, but first of all, like, I'm happy she finds the place cute because she's the trouble.
I'm not.
It's the one I have to be most concerned about. So I like this. Guys, this is my first experience ever being in something like this. Like, straight up. Even, I was thinking about coming here once with a group like me, Judah, Dano, and Davine, and choosing a room similar because they have quite a few. It would work because they have quite a few rooms that are like this, which are more communal. Guys, I'm so freaking excited. Yo, they got African paintings and stuff on it. Oh man. Listen, guys, if you like our videos, remember to hit that like button because you're the guys who actually help us to grow. So remember to hit the like button. And guys, please, when you come to Jamaica, explore Jamaica. There's too many things here. There's so many places to go, yo. Like, trust me, yo, you don't even know. You don't even know. There's so many different places that we can go. Oh boy. But anyway, I'm gonna try to you know, get adjusted with Judah, and then that lighting though.
Hey.
Get adjusted with Judah, then go get some food.
Hey.
Of course, you sorry.
No, we don't ask.
we're gonna get some food, and then you feel me. Tomorrow we're gonna try to get, you know, do some activities, go to Boston Jerk, do that for you guys. Yo, I'm super excited. I think this is a blessing in disguise. Tomorrow also I gotta go back to that place and get my refund. You feel me? Oh my gosh. Okay. You know when you get to that point where you're eating the bubble gum and it's done? That's where I'm at. Anyway, I'm gone. Alright guys, so we just got back down to the kitchen area. Here are some seats. I guess you can sit down, but there's a main dining area somewhere up there. Whatever the chef is cooking, it smells really good. Like, you can smell the coconut, you can smell the seasonings and the garlics. I'm gonna try to show you what they even have here too. You can see like all the fresh herbs. Check it out. The scallions, the garlic, the onions, everything straight from the earth, you see me? Then we got, is this watermelon? Yeah, watermelon. You got the pumpkin, banana, potato, sweet potato. I understand, and I'm on the grill I do eating. I got my shrimp over there going. Yo, the food smells really good. And the kitchen is just really cute, I swear. It's just a nice blend of rustic, but then the professional touches. Yo, out of all of the resorts that I've been to, I am most excited about this one, like 100%.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're about to go upstairs. This water is falling through. We got the steps going back up. It's pretty steep. Gotta be careful. Over there. And yo, the dining area is really cute. Really nice. Checking out the dining area, like, yo, check out these tables. Well, wait. The seatings to the side where you can chill. The tables seem like they're cut from like solid trees. There's not shaped or anything to keep the natural shape. Oh, check out the lounge area. There's a nice little lounge area here. Where you got more seats. I don't know if my camera setting is messing it up, but to give you the right color, it's actually yellow. It's like a yellowish glow here. So it sets the mood. Then we go all the way over there. We got the steps, wooden steps. And then this is our little bar area. Bro, we got some more African paintings there. Rock steps. What is this part?
Their common area.
A common area. Wow. So it's a common area where everybody just comes and chill and stuff. Wow. This place is really artsy. I can tell you that much. Really artsy. Big paintings, you know, with African culture. You know, because a lot of us shy away from our African culture. You feel me? We don't really see how valuable it is. But I'm glad that of recent people are seeing that, you know. People are trying to do the African dances and stuff like that. So I'm glad that this place here embraces that. But it feels so natural. It feels so good. It feels modern but ancestral at the same time. I like this place. I would definitely come back here already. I'm not even here for a full night. I just got here. I'm just trying to show you these things as I notice them. This feels like, yo, is it like skin?
This is fiberglass.
Oh, fiberglass. Okay.
This is a fiberglass.
Okay, cool. I thought it was skin, but it's fiberglass that's on the flooring. But then, check this out. If you're not careful, you would miss this. But this is actually like a giraffe, and then it goes right up into the roofing. That's pretty cool. I don't know. We have some protege are dropping at the background. I don't know. Protege sell off everything. It's pretty neat. So Judah is on the phone texting her boyfriend.
Right here.
And the settings are right here. It's really cute. Tables. Pretty dope. So guys, and a lot of you have never had someone really grasp your butt, held your butt in the right way. Take a look. Yeah. Take a look. My baby, you soon. Yo, let me tell you something. Yo, protege them chronics, them music, turn up all the way to the top. You get me? I say that seat here, I hold me tight. You understand? But let me tell you this on a serious note, guys. Like, a lot of you who watch the videos are living in the US and whatever, and you're grinding and you're working really hard. I just told you guys, I spent $18,000 to spend 2 nights here. You feel me? It comes with breakfast included. For you guys in the US, that's nothing. You feel me? That's just about over $100 US. You guys can actually come here and afford it. You feel me? So I hope my people, because most of the persons who watch these vlogs are similar to me, because I realize with YouTube you normally gravitate to persons who you are inclined to be like or you are similar to. I really hope that you guys, when you come here, you don't go just to the beach or whatever. Take yourself out, enjoy yourself. Whether you're a single woman or a single man or whatever it is, come here, you can meet new people, enjoy the country in a different way. Because Jamaica is not only about just beaches and whatever the case is, you get me? That's what I have to say to you. It's been a long time since I tried to motivate people, you feel me? But that one came in my head and I had to tell you that, you feel me? But I'm gonna go back over to my girl and watch her on social media. Yo, the service, guys, I just have goosebumps a while ago. See it, watch her.
Baby, you're not dying.
We can put it on the camera.
Yeah, man,
what the boss name?
Andre,
don't know.
good service, just pull up at greatest of my foot.
Full of service, remember me tell you. Trust me.
Yeah.
Pray it. Check out the food. Guys, I'm not, you guys know me. If I don't like something, I go telling you. And the man them service here, the service here is a... Yeah, oh yeah, the show, yeah.
Like we are even friends.
Trust me.
Godfather and a Sex on the Beach. Or Island Splash. You put all 2 of them in a one,
Surprise me.
Alright, give me a second.
So here's the food. We have the curried shrimp. We have some lightly fried bammies. That seems like pineapple. We got some veggies. And Judah has her shrimp pasta, and I think that's some parmesan over there. You feel me? And she's, you know, doing her social media thing. just in case if I forgot to say it, like there's gonna be a show tomorrow night. I mean, Judah wants to be like calm and relaxed, which we're gonna do that because I want to chill and whatever. But like I'm here for like all the excitement. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the food. I'm gonna tell you guys what it's like. Yo, guys, I've been meeting a lot of people, like people of different age groups, ethnicity that's been watching the channels, and I was just talking to Judah about it a while ago. Like for me, it's kind of weird, and she's like, yo, a lot of people watch it, like even people in her group that she never knew did. And guys, thank you for the support. That's all I can say.
It is strong.
Had an old fashioned before?
So wait, Judah ordered me this. This is a Godfather.
Yeah.
What is in this?
This is Scotch whiskey and amaretto.
All right.
It's like a Manhattan.
Okay.
Other than the bar bitters.
All right. If something happened to me, guys, it's Judah. Yeah. That's she. Yeah. What do you got, babe? What's that in there?
What did you surprise me with?
To be honest, that's what I was going to tell you that I didn't surprise you. Don't touch me in the head.
I won't.
But this is actually a Sex on the Beach. I made it in a different style.
Okay.
I sank the cranberry just a little bit a little appearance here. Not to look average, like some burgundy thing in our glass.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
See me?
I got you.
Please enjoy.
All right. Thank you. Alright, so before I even forget to talk about the food, first of all, like the bammies are lightly fried. I'm telling you, it's probably one of the nicest bammies that I've had. That's not cooked like at like a seaside or whatever. It's really good. The shrimp has nice spice. It's rich in flavor. You can tell it's curry. Like it's not the regular supermarket curry. How to prepare. I haven't had the vegetables I just tell you, but I'm gonna try to drink. You guys know I'm not a hard liquor drinker, but Judah's trying to do something, so. Ooh. It's strong, but it's flavorful.
As requested.
It has a smokiness to it. It's flavorful, but a bit smoky and nice. I like it. It's pretty good. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to my food. Continue devouring this awesomeness. So Judah's trying my dish. Be honest. Not a big fan of it? As in you like the bami?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I don't really like bami.
Judah doesn't like bamis at all, but this one is cooked really good. It's, yo, if you look at it, it's a thicker variety of bami and it's not dry. It's I can't even explain it even deeper than that.
It's soft and moist on the inside.
Yeah.
And crusty
on the outside. And you can taste the coconut. Yeah, coconut milk. But I'm gonna try some of hers as she steals some of my meal. With all this music in the background, they're definitely gonna give me a copyright. They're gonna be like, yo, you ain't gonna make no money off this video. Try a little bit of this. Wow. You want more of my bami?
Yeah.
Have another piece. The pasta is well cooked, meaning it's al dente. Nice flavor. Judah added salt to it, but I guess that's how they make it because you know you want whoever wants to add more of that salty flavor can do it. But the amount of salt that she added to it for me is perfect. It added to my flavor, and I like it. It's pretty good. But I still like mine more, to be quite honest, because I think my shrimp it has the flavor of the curry is a lot more intense. But it's a pasta. Pasta is not supposed to be like super intense. It's supposed to be like light and cheesy. But this is definitely an authentic type of curry flavor. It's very rich. It's not spicy, but you can know that pepper is in it. I can't even explain that. It's like you can feel the muskiness from it. So it's pretty good. And I'm kind of sad because Judah wants more of my bami. And yeah, it's the last piece. Such is life. You should take half of the bami. But I don't mind because I was actually trying to stay away from fried. to be quite honest, I wanted to steam bami instead, but I was like, I kind of wanted to fry it. I'm kind of watching what I eat, you know, definitely. Judah's laughing at me, but I am. Like today, I wanted KFC and I ordered I got a spirulina shake. Yeah. Spirulina. It's from the same shake place in the supermarket. Yeah.
This will be a part of the breakfast that you want. So if you just.
It was really good. Like I'm not a big fan of bami, but like.
You like bami?
That bami. Like,
this bami?
Yeah.
Judah's excited for breakfast tomorrow because she hopes bami is on the menu.
Yeah, this is a vacation for really. Yeah.
Stephen.
Stephen. My brother, older brother is Stephen. Big up yourself.
Yeah, it's always a blessing, you know, meeting new people. Like when your spirits them kind of connect and you can hold a reason and just have a good vibe. It's completely awesome. Let me big up one of my subscribers that I met in the hardware. That's Mr. Lee, whose daughter watches the channel. Let me big you up. I met you, I spoke to you for like maybe 10 minutes and it was really an experience. Yo, thank you for watching the videos, and your daughter, thank you also for watching the videos as well. I have to give you guys a shout out. So, Jillian, thank you for watching the videos. I hope you keep watching. I hope you share with your friends as well. And big up on herself, I don't know.
She didn't know how to tell him he was in love with a Rasta girl. Fire was burning and burning.
So this particular song that you're hearing now, this song was shot here at Great Hut. There are some scenes, so you guys can go check it out. You feel me? History. Guys, I can't talk anymore to how good the service is. Well, this guy who's been serving me, he's been like, the one that I showed you just now, he's been like awesome. Like, you know, he has to go home, it's almost 10 o'clock, and he was like, yo, his time is coming, but don't worry, he'll leave the security guard to, you know, if you need more drinks or whatever. Yo, he is, for me, 10 out of 10. Like, there's no joke about it, yo, fam. Like, he's been really good. Like, the reason why I'm even saying this, normally as a Jamaican traveling to Jamaican places, they, you know, the service isn't so good, but him, bro, A1. So guys, Judah did one of the cutest things just now. She played Affairs of the Heart from Gobag Marley, and we slow danced over there. But I didn't want to show you guys that because that was a little moment, you feel me? Yeah. Anyway, we are gonna head to our room right now and then pretty much call it a night. And then tomorrow, I will try to give you guys a full-on tour of like what this place looks like, what it has to offer. And then yeah, in the night tomorrow, I'll also show you guys what you call it, the night show and stuff. So remember these 3 things, guys. As always, love, nature, and adaptation. And remember, hit that like button, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys again. Keep the link.